Is up, guys? Coco here with East to West Adventures. I hope you all had an amazing new year, and I hope that you're sticking to your New Year's resolutions. I'm pretty excited. I have a lot of things in store for 24. So as you guys know, if you already follow me, I love the outdoors. I am an outdoor enthusiast, but I also love adventure. So I like to combine the outdoors with adventure and just kind of get that adrenaline rush from anything that I'm doing. Pretty much top 3 fun things that I love to do and you will be seeing on my YouTube channel. Jet boating the rivers, whether it's our mini boats or the big boats, that's definitely up there with my top 3. Snowmobiling, backcountry snowmobiling has been a passion of mine now for years. That is, I couldn't live without it. That's definitely up there with my top 3. But my very, very, very most favorite thing, absolutely most favorite thing to do, and really I just discovered it within the past 3 or 4 years, absolutely most adrenaline, most just amazing thing that I love to do is hunting. I love, love, love the thrill of hunting. I used to be a vegetarian, and being a vegetarian, not only did I obviously only eat vegetables, but I was actually super against hunting. I would cry every time I saw a dead deer in the back of a truck. It was bad. I am currently working on writing my book, my first book, and it has to do with going from being a vegetarian to being a hunter. More on that later. Hopefully the book will be published by the end of 24, but like I said, we'll touch base on that later. But this year I have decided I want to hunt all 50 states. I realize that is a huge undertaking, but that's a goal of mine. Obviously not this year. It'll take a long time, I totally get that. But my videographer, aka husband, is on board, so he'll be hunting with me, and along with my new puppy. I'm so excited. I am getting a cattle dog. He was just born on the 1st, and he will be ready on my birthday next month. So that's pretty exciting. I'm gonna train him to hunt with me, and he'll be my little companion. So starting off with hunting the 50 states, I've already got a couple states down under my belt, but I'm looking for suggestions. I want to know from you guys, what states should I hunt this year? If you have any honey holes that you want to share with me, if you want to show me around your state at some good hunting stuff, I am totally down. I am so excited to do this. I am so excited to video all of my hunts and share them with you guys. This is just an absolute huge passion of mine, and I can't even tell you. I'm pretty stoked. I'm pretty stoked that this is something I've decided I want to do, and I'm gonna push for it. So hunting all 50 states, guys. No idea how long that is gonna take me, but I am willing to take the challenge and to just push and to make it happen. So hit me up in the comment section below and like and subscribe so you can follow me on all of my adventures.